Hello there, this is Zachary Binks. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick demo of the team profile generator that I created. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we're taking a look at the main JavaScript file that I run this project from, called app.js. And let's go ahead and open up that integrated terminal. And we'll run this. I'm going to go ahead and put in my information here. Give me a call sometime. Heard that's a prestigious school, so we'll go ahead and throw that in there. And let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. It's going to render to this team HTML under the output folder. Alright, over here we see manager, my ID, my email, and office number, along with the engineer that we added, as well as the intern. So that's just a little bit of what we're doing here, but really appreciate you all for tuning in and checking out this project I worked on. If you'd like to see more, there is going to be a link to my GitHub down in the description below. Go ahead and check it out, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.